What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Hey, what's up? What's up, guys? We're here again with another reaction, and today, guys, we are react to Abra Cadabra Trenches. Big up Abra Cadabra, big up me G, big up Mr. Pow Pow Pow, big up the Mr. 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐎𝐖𝐍 himself. So this song, I don't know what it's about. It's out and we're gonna react. Let's go. We're gonna pause every 10 seconds because that is what we do. We break down stuff over here. You hear? That rhyme. Alright, let's jump straight tonight and don't waste no more time. Let's go. Okay, let's go, man. This is not the normally energetic beat when I'm coming with, and you know, when I spin this scoop, don't do that. Don't do that. Yo, it's not that. It's not that. This is a different type of song. I can feel it in my bones. Let's go. No problem, no. So I have to big up again because I've seen that you're on his project again. This project again is done by you. Big up yourself, Suave. Big up. Suave. Filmed by Suave. Let's go. Yeah. I tell my brothers don't worry. I got a strong feeling we gon' make it. Wow. That touched me. Like, I don't know, it just touched me. Like, brother, don't worry. We are gonna make it. We are gonna make it. Like, have faith in me, have faith in yourself. Let's do this. Let's go, man. I tell my brothers, don't worry. I got a strong feeling we gon' make it. Cause we go through every struggle when we face it. Yo, the boss can sing. Mr. Can sing. The boss can sing. The boss said, listen, brother, I'm telling you, said, don't worry on yourself. We are gonna make it. Let's do this together, OFB. Let's do it together. We are gonna make it. We have to make it. And we believe in what we are doing. We believe in our craft. We believe in our talent. You see me? So once you believe in yourself, people will believe in you. Let's go! Just go watch my life, gotta take it. I find it hard to tell between the realest and the fake. When I was up, I couldn't breathe. I had these niggas in my spirit. The man say, yo, when me did up, me did find it hard to breathe because there's so much people around me. Me did find it hard to breathe. Me did claustrophobic. You see me? Yeah. Because remember, so when you're up, you know, there's a lot of people is around you. So much people is around you for the hands out. When you're down, them people disappear. Poof! Houdini. Them gone. You don't see them. You see me? They're only there for one thing. For the glory. But them don't know your story. Let's go. I looked around and none of them was in my face. Told myself a lesson. That's just how it goes in these streets. Don't depend on no one and just go get your heat. The boss serious. The boss not smile, dog. The boss not smile another one. Let me say so. Let's go again. It goes in these streets. Don't depend on no one and just go get your heat. Cause it's cold outside and the wolves don't sleep. Yo, it's cold outside. The wolves not sleep, brother. Don't depend on nobody. Just go and get your eat. Go and get your strap. Go and get your... Come. Go and get something, brother, to protect yourself. Because only you can have your own back. Abra, big up yourself. Let's go. You can try to feed the wolves and pray you don't get eaten. They only need a reason. The war is in the air and I can smell it. We got ties before VDS, so... Yo. The man say. Basically, the man say, yo, listen. The same hand where you stretch out and feed maga dog. The same hand where you stretch out and feed them pussy, yeah? Them same one will bite you. Look on my finger. Whole heap of bite marks upon it. Whole heap. Because the amount of people when me help, them same one turn around and bite me. You see me? Yes, them same people turn around and bite me. John know, dog. Me feel like one a dog. Coming on to let go. Yeah. God bless my niggas in the trenches. The love when I have for him niggas in the trenches. Him a pray for him dogs. Him a pray for the G them. Him a pray for them. God bless my niggas in the trenches, dog. A far where I come from. You see me? Trenches, we are forward out of dog. Some me out, but some people still in there. That's how I say. So bring them out to me, God. That's how I ask. Trust them niggas on the fences. Yeah, help and leaving you the have sing so, dog? Me never know Abra could have sing so, brother. Abra, me never know you could have sing so, J.
I take your life if you ever take something from me. Cause from the day we was born, we never had nothing. I turned nothing to something and now I'm something.
Yo, let me tell you this. If you try to take away something from me, I'm gonna take your life from you. From the day we born, we never have nothing, dog. We never have nothing at all. We did poor. 1 room, 7 kids, 1 room. No drinking water, we have to walk go far. You see me? A damn thing that the man are forward from, dog. Remember, say you are nobody till somebody kills you. The man say, yo, me no want to be that person there. Me want to be somebody now. Me want to be somebody now, dog. Bumba clot.
We was born, we never had nothing. I turned nothing to something and now I'm something.
Me turn nothing into something now. Me. Use me and I make fashion. Me turn nothing into something. Now I am something. Because I believe in what I was doing. I believe in myself. Yeah, I believe in myself. So let's go.
And ain't nothing gonna stop me, I tell you nothing. I was raised up in the streets, I never had a choice. Niggas talking on the name for nigga voice.
Yo, me did brought up in the streets. Me never have a choice. Me never have no choice around me. Me did brought up in the street, brother. I am a street kid. That is all I know. Yes, I went to school, but I left high school and I went to college. Not normal college. Street side college. That's where I get my knowledge. That is where I went. Let's go.
I just pull up on your street, just me and my boys. Packing big Glock cause they made lots of noise. I see a nigga do it, Drew, he never wanted to.
Yo, me pull up on your street, me and my boys, with some fat Glock, some fat Matic. I make lots of noise when we left people at drop. Crime scene, yellow tape. When we left people have to drop, brother. You see me? Yeah, dog, Missy youth do things now where them never did want to do them, but them have to do it. Certain things in life, you don't have a choice. Sometime in life, you have to do the wrong to get the right result. Get it? Wrong to get the right result. Let's go.
Yeah, he was in these streets but wasn't comfortable. No. He wasn't built for this, but forced himself for a fall. Yeah. The devil told the truth to the constable.
Whoa. Hold on, pull up.
This was forced himself for a fall. Yeah. The devil told the truth to the constable. Whoa.
The street is not for everybody. The street is not for everybody. That's why they make sidewalks. That is all I'm gonna say about that. Let's go.
I can't have them type of niggas round me. I ain't fucking with no snitches, keep your distance. On my block, broski, you be done in minutes.
Brother, in our little circle, this is what the G said. In our little circle, we no F with snitches. Snitches get stitches. Try and know that, brother. If you can't angle this life, you stay tight, brother. If you can't angle the street, stay up on the pavement, brother. It's not for everybody. Take care of yourself, my G. That's what the boss has said. Yo, realest.
None of my niggas is trying to do a sentence. The streets love me and they don't love me. The streets is given to me and it stole from me.
The streets is a grimy world. The streets will give you and the streets will take away from you. The streets will build you and the streets will kill you. Try and know that. You have to be street smart. You have to be street smart, brother, when you're out there. You have to quick on your feet. You have to willing to take chances. Can't be no snitches, brother. Street code, you know? Street code. The street code. You have to know the street code and live by it. If you don't live by it, either you go to prison or the man going to kill you on the road because the man on the road don't like informer, dog. Try and know that.
God, I ain't lost my soul on it. And I pray to God I got it when they roll on me. I know you had this lots of times in my life, really like a movie though.
Yo, me just thank the lads that them boy never catch me slipping yet. Me always have me thing for me. Anytime them boy decide to roll for me, me always have it. Me wheel off and beat it till it bend. Me beat it till it nozzle bend. You see me? My life is like a movie. My life is like a movie. But if me dead in the movie, me dead in a real life. This is not acting. This is some real shit, the man I tell you. Real thing. Real thing.
That's why I find it easy running in the studio. I've been the target and the shooter and the target coming up on these roads.
Man say, Him find it easier to express himself in the studio. The studio, I'm comfort zone. The studio, I'm happy place. The studio, him can lay all down on the line and tell you what is what. Respect. You have your talent and you utilize your talent, my G. Very lyrical. Very versatile. You see me? Yeah, dog.
Lord knows I lost some niggas coming up on these roads. Lord knows I kept it far coming up on these roads. Discover a couple snakes coming up on these roads.
Remember, you know, more time you have to keep the grass low. Keep the grass low because there's snakes in the grass that you need to see. There's some snakes in the grass that you need to see. And for you to see them, you have to keep the grass low. Don't have no high grass. Don't have that. Don't have no forest. Don't have no woodland. Nope. Keep it out nice and clean. Yeah. Just to see the snake them.
God bless my niggas in the trenches. Don't trust them niggas on the fences. They'll help in leaving you defenseless.
Yo, that song is bad. That song is bad. It's a different side of Abra where me never hear it and me never see it. It's a different side, me G. That this bad, Abra. This bad. Abra, this bad. That's all I'm gonna say to you, brother. This a fire. This is some fire, brother. This a fire. This is some true shit. Big up yourself, my G.
She gonna use this time to make this money. I'll take your life if you ever take something from me. Cause from the day we was born, we never had nothing.
Yo, you can feel the emotion in a way I say. You can feel it in a voice. You know, you can hear it in a voice. You can feel the emotion there. You can see it on him face. You see me? For some reason, the artist, yeah, me know say him my own artist, but for some reason him remind me a bit of Pop Smoke. Like him sound a bit like Pop Smoke. But me know I feel him style that. Big up yourself, me G. Your ratings stall over here, so. Over the channel here, your ratings is high. Your ratings is high.
I turn nothing to something and now I'm something. And ain't nothing gonna stop me, I told you nothing.
Yo, the beat. Suave, big up yourself again, brother. Big up yourself again. Can't fault your dog. The video quality, obviously, it's in a black and white because they show you the message there. You see me? Yo, big up yourself, my G. Big up, dog. Big up the whole production team. Big up the whole OFB too. Yo, me feel this. Me feel this, dog. Me feel this, brother. I know as usual, I'm gonna have a snippet after the next song will come up though. I'm looking forward to hear that as well.
You know, it's big clap the president from the you know, outside there, latest artist, Capital Daddy.
So that sound like when I'm bridging send him a voice note from prison. That sound like when I'm bridging he might have a conversation with and then put it in the song. Yeah, big up.
Soon back to it, you know. Been through the pain, been through the rain, soon come to take over, you know.
Steady.
Freedom is a must, my G. Freedom is a must. Just go and hold the faith, go and keep yourself good. And you know, say I got touch road soon. If you link up back with your G them, because your G them out here, do it, brother. Your G them out here, do it. And you need to be a part of it. You see it? Yeah.
Everyone in here?
Come on. The mixtape done.
Lord, alright, I need an update.
Man say, yo, the mixtape done here, my man. Blood clot. I need an update. I need, yo, him so happy, brother. I'm so happy with what I go on. Is it? That's good. Let's go.
Magazine and come on.
Yeah, man. 14 tracks. There. 14. It's done.
So basically, when I do so, I give him an update on what I go on. You see me? And him sound very happy about that, which, like we say, him G a win. Even though him the rich part him there, him wants him G a win. It's not everybody still like that. Remember that.
Oh,
It's
gosh,
good.
when we coming out?
4th of December.
That's my fucking...
But
Oh, God, is it City? Have you picked the 14 tracks, yeah?
nah, steady.
Blood clot. The man a talk about the thing. Man a talk about Abra work piece. Him a sing, him a rap. Yo, everything the man a do that. Cause the man versatile like that. I don't think we are gonna get a snippet at the next track still. I don't know. Let's see.
He's drilling, bro. Dabby's back, fam. It's mad.
Yo, the fact say he's back, that is more than enough. The fact say he's back, that is more than enough, guys. Guys, if you enjoyed the reaction, yeah, I want to see more like this. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Big up all of the subs and the viewers over here. I really appreciate the growth of the channel. I really appreciate you guys helping me out in the comment section. More than once, more than twice, more than 4 and 5 and 6 times. Really appreciate it. I'll just keep being consistent for you guys, and you guys just keep being consistent by being here. You understand? That is all we ask for over here. So, love, peace, love. Guys, big up Abra again. Abra, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself. Work, peace, mad. Guys, have a good and productive day. If you can be good, be lucky. If you have nothing good to say, but I say nothing. Out of here to the next one. You see it?